Hey everybody, Pierce the Engine Auto here, just making a quick video about the Tactile Turn Mini Bolt Pen. It's 4.4 inches and this is in titanium that I have here. But one of the main complaints is about this refill that comes with it, this guy right here, the Pilot G2 Mini. And it's basically the same as a Pilot G2, it's just a mini version. So a lot of people don't like this refill. I'm one of those people. I've had a couple of them blow up, including the normal G2s, not just the mini. But this is kind of a weird size, and you can't just go out and buy other refills. At least I haven't found any that are the exact size, and you can just throw in the pen. So it's kind of a downside to the pen. Otherwise, it's a great pen, but you're kind of stuck with this refill. But we are going to see if we can fix that for you guys today. So the refills that I have found that easily fit and are trimmable are the Pilot Dr. Grip Center of Gravity refills. And I actually have one right here out of the package that I've done some trimming on. But you're just going to have to trim it down so that it fits, and you're going to take off, it's not a whole lot really, but just to give you guys some measurements here. This refill, this is the G2 Mini that comes with it, is about 80.59 millimeters. Okay, and so use that as a reference, and you can trim down pretty much any refill you want, including, this is my favorite refill I like to use in these tactile turn pens, is the Precise V5. And this is just the RT, the retractable version. You can go to Walmart, pick those up. This is what it looks like brand new. And so what I normally do is, you still have to trim it down just a hair to fit it in your normal tactile turn pen. I put it in there, use it up, and then you're able to just throw it in your normal, or I'm sorry, in your mini pen here. So this is what it looks like, and you can see a little bit of ink on there, but that's just from me messing around with a couple ones. So that's how far down you have to trim it from the original, and you can see it's right on the line where the ink is when they're new. Do not trim it down right there. It's too close, ink leaks out, it makes a mess. So once you trim it down, you want to keep using this cap here, and I got a little bit on there. So you want to use that cap. It gives the pen mechanism, this mechanism here, a good flat place to press against. Otherwise, I've found that if you cut it and it's a little bit uneven, then sometimes you'll go to turn this and it kind of jams it because it's pushing the refill. It's kind of pushing it cockeyed against this hole where it comes out, and it jams the refill. So put that little cap back on there, and that should fix most of those problems. I can do another video someday showing you how to trim them. But basically, here's this Precise V5 in the Mini. Once you've used up a little bit of ink and trimmed it down to fit. It works great, and you can see how much sticks out there. So I actually trimmed this down. I've done 4 or 5 of these to get the right length where it sticks out as far as I want, so that I can still see that needle point while I'm writing. And that's 80.7 millimeters. And that seems to be the perfect length for this refill. And so that's the video. Just a quick little view of the refills you can put in this mini pen. The bigger pens are, I'd say, more versatile as far as refills go. Out of the box, there's a lot of different ones you can put in. Right now I have a 207 in there, I think it's called Signia line, and you can just throw it right in and it fits perfectly, and it's a good refill. But my favorite are these guys, these needlepoint refills. That they write well. I've never had one leak on me, and if you just use up a little bit of ink, trim it down, you can put one in your mini pen. Alright, so if you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I'll see if I can make a video responding. Thanks.